Today I'm going to talk about the ProCam 8 video mode. What kind of features and functions does it have, and why you should record your iPhone video with this app. ProCam 8 is one of the best camera apps for iPhone and iOS devices. If you didn't watch my review of the app, you should check it out on the channel. So let's look at the video mode. The user interface is pretty simple, and it has a lot of controls. On the top of the interface is a status bar, and we have a couple of different indicators. The first one is telling us that we are in video mode. The next one is the frame rate of the video, the resolution, a flash indicator, the storage space of your device and a battery indicator. Very useful stuff. I'm gonna start recording the video, and we can see two buttons around the shutter. The bottom one is a pause control, so we can pause the recording when we need to, and continue when we want. The top button is a photo button, so we can take a still photo while recording a video, and the bottom bar is a live storage space indicator, so it shows us exactly how much space we have left. On the right side of the interface we have a zoom slider, and we can zoom in up to 4 times during video recording. The zoom animation is smooth, and if we click on this button, we can adjust the speed of the zoom animation. So it can be really fast, or really slow. We can manually focus on a subject by tapping the screen. On the top left, we have a selfie camera. This changes from the rear facing to the front facing, or selfie camera. If we tap the little M button, a couple of sliders will appear. And they are very handy. The first one is the exposure slider, so we can manually change the exposure during video recording. The next slider is the shutter speed. After that, we can change the ISO, or the camera's light sensitivity. The higher the ISO, the brighter the video is going to be. This is the manual focus button, so we can change the focus very smoothly. And the last slider is the white balance slider. This way we are going to make the colors of the video warmer or cooler. So these are the manual controls for video recording. On the bottom left, we have a flash button, so we can turn the flash on or off, even during video recording. Next we have the video gallery, so we can watch our recordings. And if we click on the little I button here, it's going to show us information about the video. The resolution, frame rate, video size, date and time, and so on. It also has a built-in video editor with a lot of features, so leave a like on this video if you want me to make a video about it. If we click on this little arrow, a menu will show up. And we have 4 types of grids here. The first one is a standard 3x3 grid. Then we have a smaller grid, a golden ratio grid, and a horizontal tilt meter. We have a lot of different resolution and frame rate options. The lowest is a VGA, or 640 by 480 pixel video, all the way up to 4K 30 or 60 frames per second. There's 720p, 1080p, 4K resolutions at various frame rates. We have an audio meter so you can check the audio levels during the recording. And of course, we have the settings button. In the settings menu, we have a couple of more options like the video format, stabilization, video date and timestamps, and a lot more. And there is a cool video framing guide, where the app shows you frames for different movie-like video formats like 2x35x1, 2x1 and so much more. So you can edit the video in post-production later on. Really cool and useful features inside the video mode for ProCam. You should check out my other videos on the channel for more tutorials and reviews, like the ProCam 8 review, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.